Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back. Today we are going to practice English for a birthday party. These are simple and useful sentences that you can use in real life. Listen carefully and speak out loud with me. Happy birthday to you. Repeat. Happy birthday to you. Once more. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Repeat. I hope you have a wonderful day. Once more. I hope you have a wonderful day. Many happy returns of the day. Repeat. Many happy returns of the day. Once more. Many happy returns of the day. I am so happy to be here. Repeat. I am so happy to be here. Once more. I am so happy to be here. Thank you for inviting me. Repeat. Thank you for inviting me. Once more. Thank you for inviting me. This party looks beautiful. Repeat. This party looks beautiful. Once more. This party looks beautiful. You look so happy today. Repeat. You look so happy today. Once more. You look so happy today. I brought a gift for you. Repeat. I brought a gift for you. Once more. I brought a gift for you. I hope you like it. Repeat. I hope you like it. Once more. I hope you like it. Where should I put the gift? Repeat. Where should I put the gift? Once more. Where should I put the gift? The decorations are amazing. Repeat. The decorations are amazing. Once more. The decorations are amazing. I love the colors in this room. Repeat. I love the colors in this room. Once more. I love the colors in this room. Everyone seems excited today. Repeat. Everyone seems excited today. Once more. Everyone seems excited today. The music is really nice. Repeat. The music is really nice. Once more. The music is really nice. This is such a fun party. Repeat. This is such a fun party. Once more. This is such a fun party. Who made this cake? Repeat. Who made this cake? Once more. Who made this cake? The cake looks delicious. Repeat. The cake looks delicious. Once more. The cake looks delicious. I cannot wait to taste it. Repeat. I cannot wait to taste it. Once more. I cannot wait to taste it. What flavor is the cake? Repeat. What flavor is the cake? Once more. What flavor is the cake? Let us take some pictures. Repeat. Let us take some pictures. Once more. Let us take some pictures. Come and stand next to me. Repeat. Come and stand next to me. Once more. Come and stand next to me. Smile for the camera. Repeat. Smile for the camera. Once more. Smile for the camera. That picture came out great. Repeat. That picture came out great. Once more. That picture came out great. Let us sing together. Repeat. Let us sing together. Once more. Let us sing together. Make a wish before you blow out the candles. Repeat. Make a wish before you blow out the candles. Once more. Make a wish before you blow out the candles. Now cut the cake. Repeat. Now cut the cake. Once more. Now cut the cake. Please give me a small piece. Repeat. Please give me a small piece. Once more. Please give me a small piece. It tastes really good. Repeat. It tastes really good. Once more. It tastes really good. Thank you for the cake. Repeat. Thank you for the cake. Once more. Thank you for the cake. Would you like some juice? Repeat. Would you like some juice? Once more. Would you like some juice? Yes, I would love some. Repeat. Yes, I would love some. Once more. Yes, I would love some. No, thank you. I am fine. Repeat. No, thank you. I am fine. Once more. No, thank you. I am fine. The food smells great. Repeat. The food smells great. Once more. The food smells great. Everything looks so tasty. Repeat. Everything looks so tasty. Once more. Everything looks so tasty. I'm having a great time. Repeat. I'm having a great time. Once more. I'm having a great time. It is nice to see everyone together. Repeat. It is nice to see everyone together. Once more. It is nice to see everyone together. This celebration feels very special. Repeat. This celebration feels very special. Once more. This celebration feels very special. I'm glad I came today. Repeat. I'm glad I came today. Once more. I'm glad I came today. Thank you for having me. Repeat. Thank you for having me. Once more. Thank you for having me. I hope all your wishes come true. Repeat. I hope all your wishes come true. Once more. I hope all your wishes come true. May you always stay happy and healthy. Repeat. May you always stay happy and healthy. Once more. May you always stay happy and healthy. Enjoy your special day. Repeat. Enjoy your special day. Once more. Enjoy your special day. See you again soon. Repeat. See you again soon. Once more. See you again soon. Goodbye, and happy birthday again. Repeat. Goodbye, and happy birthday again. Once more. Goodbye, and happy birthday again. Amazing work. You just practiced useful English for a birthday party. Keep speaking, keep repeating, and your English will become more natural every day.